To link Coinbase and sell your cryptocurrency, start by logging into your Coinbase account. If you do not have a Coinbase account, you will need to create one by providing the required information, such as your name, email address, and password. Once you have logged in, navigate to the dashboard where you can view your account balance and transaction history. Next, click on the Buy and Sell tab. Then select the cryptocurrency you want to sell from the list of available options. Choose the payment method you want to use to receive the funds from the sale, such as a bank account or PayPal. Make sure that the payment method you choose is verified and linked to your Coinbase account. After selecting the cryptocurrency and payment method, enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to sell. You can choose to sell a specific amount or the entire balance of the cryptocurrency in your account. Review the transaction details, including the amount of cryptocurrency you are selling, the exchange rate, and the fees associated with the transaction. Once you have reviewed the transaction details, confirm the sale by clicking on the Sell button. The funds from the sale will be transferred to your chosen payment method, and you will receive a confirmation email from Coinbase once the transaction is complete. It is essential to note that the fees associated with selling cryptocurrency on Coinbase vary, depending on the payment method and the location of your account. Make sure to review the fees before confirming the sale to avoid any unexpected charges. Additionally, be aware of the tax implications of selling cryptocurrency, as it may be subject to capital gains tax. It is recommended that you consult with a tax professional to understand your tax obligations and ensure compliance with the relevant tax laws. In conclusion, linking Coinbase and selling your cryptocurrency is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. By following these steps and being aware of the fees and tax implications, you can easily sell your cryptocurrency and transfer the funds to your chosen payment method.